Our Reina Fe, Sister Annabel Obel from Disciples.
Second, theological virtues. She carries an anchor that symbolizes the virtue of hope. Our Reina Esperanza
Of charity. The third, theological virtues. She carries a red-colored heart.
She carries a handkerchief to cover the laughter. Our Santa Sara, Sister Maricel Reyes,
Sister of Moses and Aaron. She is also known as prophets.
of justice, blindfolded and carries a weight scale and a sword. Our Reina Justicia, Sister Junabeth Lanoy,
As a pious woman who demonstrates great faith, resolve, mercy, and courage.
line of Aaron and the wife of Zacharias. She was righteous before God and was a blameless.
Saint of musicians and church music in Catholic and Orthodox traditions. She carries a musical instrument. Our Santa Cecilia,
She is an Italian saint and one of the first followers of Saint Francis of Assisi, founder of the Order of Poor Ladies. She carries a monstrance.
she is the mother, widow, religious laywoman, and the mother of Saint Augustine in her hand, and a sheep that symbolizes her chastity, purity, and sacred. Our Santa Agnes,
A patron saint of nuns, convulsing children and involved against storm and rain. Our Santa Scholastica,
Queen of the Flores de Mayo. She carries a bouquet of flowers that symbolizes divinity. Our Reina de las Flores, Sister Sharon Reyes,
she carries a bottle of perfume to wipe Jesus' feet. Our Maria Magdalena,
childless people, horseback riders, woman in labor,
by the suffering of Jesus, a woman who rushed to wipe Jesus' face as he carries his cross to Calvary. She carries a
representing with extraordinary mystical gift by means of sign of the cross. She carries bottle of holy water.
the Virgin Mary in a cave near Lourdes. Our Santa Bernadette, Sister Durasol, friend
She stands for early Christians.
by his wisdom, power, and riches. She carries a jewelry box. Our Reina Sheva, Sister
2024, Sister Virginia Arseno from Disciples for Christ group.
She is the highlights of procession, the legendary founder of the cross, represented by the small cross she carries in her arms. She is escorted by her son Constantine under the huge canopy of Mayflower. Our Reina Elena 2025, Sister Pearl J. Rodrigo from Our Lady of the Sky Presidium Group.